Buckies by G. Morrison. They can hear ye coming, a thoot on the logs. They can smell ye coming, when ye signs o' a nose. But they never did see, through their great muckle ee, as hard-bucket beasts, or as fly as can be. They can feel ye coming, as ye rummel oor the rocks. Afore you're in range, they drop out as sacht, together in clumps, aneath boulders and steens, with their kith and their can, and the rest of their friends. It's a tjoeg life for wolks, o wat net doet. The lie be fair game, van the tides eben uit. They're grey van their dry, and black van their wheat, but after they're boiled, the young do not treat. As hard-bucket beasties, we pick it for a pie. They were gathered up, for a shore meets a sea.